Meaning of impel.
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 Impel. Impel refers to the action of forcing or pushing someone to do something, often resulting in a strong motivation or drive to accomplish a particular task or goal. This can be accomplished through persuasion, encouragement, or simply creating an atmosphere that inspires action. The result of being impelled can vary, but often includes increased productivity, improved performance, and a sense of personal fulfillment and achievement. However, it is important to note that the use of force or coercion to impel someone is not ethical and can be counterproductive in the long term.